This is TelecomsTalk reporting from CommunicAsia, where I'm with Kirk Byles of Rajant. Kirk, with Rajant, I think it's all about breadcrumbs.
It is. It is all about breadcrumbs. When we first started this, we developed the idea of making communications be able to just drop it and follow it back. So the breadcrumb idea of making a trail of breadcrumbs was our idea of making mesh nodes, calling them breadcrumbs, and being able to deploy those in any sort of fashion and have a communications network be built out. So in effect, a breadcrumb is a wireless node using many types of frequencies in our InstaMesh technology.
Yeah, tell us how the mesh technology operates.
Well, in most meshing technologies today, and there's a number of definitions, folks are using a single frequency or maybe two frequencies to pass data between many different nodes. And oftentimes that technology gets limited. With Rajant, we don't have that limitation. We don't have a controller-based technology or a head node. So we're actually using multiple frequencies, and we can move all of our breadcrumbs around in a network and never drop a signal. So a mesh is really many-to-many type ad hoc networking, allowing the infrastructure to go where it needs to go and to provide the bandwidth you need with the reliability that you might not get in a point-to-multi-point system or a point-to-point system.
Now, I think you've just got approval for the EU market.
Indeed, we just upgraded some of our radio cards, so we just ran them through CE approval, which is fantastic for us. We're always looking to open new markets and more markets. So for us, the CE approval gives us all of Europe, a lot of the Middle East, and we're focused there right now, often in the transportation sectors and oil and gas. Currently, we're working with some large carrier folks in the UK, where they're starting to deploy our products for some of their industrial customers around Italy, Spain, and in the North Atlantic.
Oh, that's great. Tell us a bit more actually about the company, the background.
Well, it's really an interesting background. We've been around for 13 years, and we started out with the U.S. military funding us to develop this technology. We had an idea, and they said, why don't you go out and make it reality? So for the first 3 or 4 years of our existence, it was really just developing code and trial and error. And we finally came out with a product that became the de facto mesh technology within the U.S. military for tactical deployments, which was great as they really needed this type of technology as the wars in Afghanistan and Iraq started to develop. Since then, we've continued to develop the frequencies and get into the commercial markets. The military really made us key up on the industrial IP67 mil-spec rated products. And now we were able to take that technology into the mining world, oil and gas, electric utilities, and transportation. So as we're still very heavy in the military space around the globe, we're starting to really pick off a lot of the larger industrial commercial spots where this type of wireless technology is needed.
Well, let's hope Europe is ready for you. In the meantime, thanks for talking to us.
Thank you very much. Have a great day.